So here is just a scene of the absolute devastation done by some vandals. I personally think that the word vandals is too fucking calm for these bastards. And I really hope to hell that they got stung to fucking death. Because I'm so sick and tired of this bloody industry where not even the police are interested in doing anything. Here are swarms upon swarms, totally destroyed. How the hell do you warrant the destruction? What is the hell wrong with these bloody people? It just carries on and on and on. After we've added this up, it's nearly 300,000 rand worth of bees and equipment that have been destroyed. And we carry on walking, and it just carries on. I've just got to say it, what the fuck is wrong with this fucking country?